unmute.
Hello? Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, now audible.
Okay, thank you, Ravi. Okay, let's start. I think there was some voice issues. Okay, good evening, everyone. Let's start our webinar today. Welcome to TeacherCool, where knowledge meets innovation and learning becomes an exciting journey. As a premier online platform for IT-based training, TeacherCool is committed to revolutionizing education by providing comprehensive, cutting-edge courses that empower individuals by thriving in the dynamic world of information technology. TeacherCool comes as a part of GYPR dedicated towards transforming online learning for both IT and non-IT students. Now we are here gathered to understand the dynamics of booming terminology of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neural networks. It's a pleasure to welcome you all to this exciting and insightful webinar on data science, artificial intelligence, and neural networks. In today's session, we will be exploring one of the most dynamic and rapidly evolving fields in, in technology that is reshaping industries worldwide: data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Whether you are a professional looking to sharpen your skills, a student eager to learn, or simply someone curious about the power of data, you are at the right place. Today's webinar is designed to offer you deep insights and practical knowledge to thrive in the data-driven world. GYPR Private Limited has launched services for staffing, hence we are delivering data science, machine learning, neural networking, job-oriented course to facilitate the placement. Before we begin, let me introduce our esteemed speakers, industry mentors, and trainer for today's session, Dr. Deepika Sharma. Dr. Deepika Sharma is
Very
an
good evening. Good
accomplished
evening.
academic industry. Please mute yourself, everyone. Dr. Deepika Sharma is an accomplished academic and corporate professional with more than 16 years of experience in both fields. She holds a PhD in computer science and has a profound passion for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. Dr. Sharma has trained professionals and industry giants such as TCS, Accenture, HCL, Capgemini, Cognizant, EXL Service, Adobe Systems, Aditya Birla Group, British Telecom, Larsen and Toubro, and many more. Her experience spans across training corporate professionals and university students in both traditional classroom and virtual settings. In addition to her work as a corporate trainer and independent consultant, Dr. Sharma actively provides guidance to researchers and scholars pursuing their PhD. Her work has been published in various international journals and she has contributed research chapters in renowned international books such as IGI Global Research Mythology. Dr. Sharma's current research focuses on cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, and quantum computing, ensuring that you will be learning from someone who is truly at the forefront of innovation. It is an immense pleasure for us that Dr. Deepika has been selected for EduTech Leadership Award for her innovative teaching practices by Asia Pacific SRM Congress. This award has been selected for her profound teaching in APAC, that is Asia Pacific region. If you are seeking training under Dr. Deepika, you will be getting a fruitful knowledge. Dr. Sharma will lead us through an in-depth exploration of today's topic, and by the end of this session, you will have a much stronger grasp on how to leverage data science to solve real world problems. So, without any further delay, please join me in welcoming Dr. Deepika Sharma.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. Very good evening to all of you. So today we are here gathered to understand the significance of data science, machine learning, and neural networks. So we all know that data science, machine learning, neural network, or artificial intelligence, this is the booming technology across the world. Everywhere we are hearing about the artificial intelligence, AI. AI is there. But what is that AI actually? So basically, you should know when we talk about the artificial intelligence, it is basically an umbrella term. But how to do the artificial intelligence? We need certain tools and technologies. Those tools and technologies are data science, machine learning, and deep learning. Got the point? So AI is a big umbrella term. Under AI, we do data science, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, basically, right? So these are the subset. Deep learning, machine learning are the subsets of the artificial intelligence, basically. So right now, the data science revolution is going on. Okay, so basically, what is the data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field about scientific methods, processes, techniques, and systems to extract knowledge or insights from data. Now, let's talk about the data. Basically, students, you should know that there are two types of data, two formats of data, structured data and unstructured data. Structured data means the data is into the form of table-like format where I'm having the data with the rows and columns. So basically, that is a structured data. Let's talk about the unstructured data. The data which we are fetching out from social media platforms such as Twitter, Insta, Facebook, Meta, or LinkedIn, or any other third-party social websites. So if we are fetching out these type of data, these types of data are not into the form of rows and columns. They do not have a table-like structure. That is basically known as a no structured data or unstructured data. So such type of data we can fetch. So when we do the data science, basically, we do use both kind of data. Either it is a structured data or it is a unstructured data. So here we are doing science on this data. So to do the science on the data, that is a data science. So basically, data science is a wide field here. So here the science of the data study using statistics. We apply the statistics, models, algorithm. These are used by the company to gain insights of the data and to predict the future, basically. So right now, if I talk about data science, machine learning, and neural network, so data science and machine learning, they are present in your social media. As soon as you are clicking your YouTube, Insta, Facebook, any Skype, Snapchat, WhatsApp, all these platforms are having AI embedded, artificial embedded. Okay. So, like, even if I talk about Google, like Google has embedded this AI nearby 16 to 17 years back. So it is not a new term, basically. It is a very old term. If I talk about like Microsoft and Google and Amazon, all three companies are using these AI into their tools and products. Nearby 2006, they are using these tools there. So I will say AI is old now here. But though the companies start chasing the profits of Amazon, Microsoft, or AWS, so now the companies know that what are the benefits we are getting through having artificial intelligence and data science into the product. So that's why other companies are coming now. So let's talk about that how we can use AI with various case study now. So here now, you should be knowing that whenever you are tweeting on your Twitter account or your Facebook account, so suppose let's take any product, some product is present on your Twitter, on your Facebook, and you are liking that product. So you are commenting there that I like it, it's beautiful, great. Some words you are putting. So basically, those words are being captured with the help of data science machine learning, and those words are being analyzed by this entire data science and machine learning. So they will capture these words which are coming as a great, beautiful, I like it. So they are positive words. Okay. And if you are writing negative comments for the particular product, suppose you won't like any product. So you're writing, I don't like it, it's not good, no, something like a negative comment. So all these words are being captured by the AI and start doing the sentiment analysis. So basically, in the products, we do use the data science AI to do the sentiment analysis. Similar scenarios companies are doing. So companies are having their products onto these platforms. So they keep on analyzing the user sentiment regarding to the product. And these are the live sentiments going on. If I talk about certain platforms, just like Google Translate, Alexa, Grammarly, Cortana, so all these and many more, you can see chatbot. So all these products are having AI embedded. Now you should know, like you are commanding the Alexa. So Alexa is listening and doing the work accordingly. So I will say here, these are NLP. NLPs are there. NLP is what? Natural language processing. This is a part of artificial intelligence. Okay. Now let's talk about the Grammarly. You are also using a Grammarly. Okay. Can you tell me, hello, you can interact with me. Let's start interacting. Can you tell me how many of you are using Grammarly as a separate tool? You can come and write into the chat. Okay, you can interact me. Can you tell how many of you are using a Grammarly? Do you use Grammarly as a separate tool in your company wherever you're working? You can say, please come into the chat. You can say yes or no. Please come. I have to take the names then. You can write here into the chat section. Yes, you're using it. Yeah. What about Sunita, Salahuddin, and Badruddin? Please tell me, Adnan. There's one student coming with the reflection of iPhone. What is the name, please? Can I know your name? I'm not getting the name of this person, please. Okay, you are using thank you. Thank you, Ravi. So yeah, of course, you are using a university related assignment. That's right. That's okay. Which means in any mode you are using it, na? Whether you are using it in with your work or a personal, anyhow, you are using the tool. Again, I'm asking, there's a one of the student with the name of iPhone, it is reflecting. I'm not getting the name of the student or the person here. I request you to please give your name. Can you give a name here into the chat so that we can know? Or from the source where you come? Safia. Okay, you are Safia? Fine. Just a moment. Actually, your name is not reflecting. Just wait here. Let me note it down. Fine. Thank you. Thank you for the responses. So let's move. So here you should be knowing that suppose Grammarly. Grammarly helps you. Grammarly helps you to correct your grammatical mistake, spelling errors, comma, full stop, all the grammars here. So Grammarly itself is having AI inside it. Artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning, Grammarly is having, right? So these tools are fully utilizing Grammarly. Now, I'm asking you one thing. You should be aware that in your email of Gmail, basically, artificial intelligence is present. Now you can ask, ma'am, how? So let me tell you. You should know that whenever you are opening your email, Gmail, I'm specifying. So you started writing some content as you're making an email body. After that, you can notice down one thing that automatically certain words starts coming there. Though you had not written those words, from where, how those words are appearing. Again, I will say this is artificial intelligence. This is data science. I will call the particular name NLP, natural language processing. So these tools we are having. How many of you have noticed this? Please tell me. Do start interacting with me in the class. Tell me now that, hello, how many of you have noticed it that you noticed it? Thank you, Adnan, thank you, Ravi. Can you tell me, other Sunita, what about you? Salahuddin, tell me. Safia, tell me please. There's so many here. Okay. So basically start noticing these points that in your email, so you have noticed na? Right. You write the email and we put incorrect spellings and then it try to autocorrect it. Exactly. So there is a Grammarly embedded inside it. So this is with the help of NLP tool, natural language processing. This is the artificial intelligence. One subset actually, these are deployed here in your email. So it means in your, I'll say because I told you Google is using Gmail, email more than 17, 18 years. So these tools are embedded into their product and they're helping you to write the words. If you're writing suppose I say you are writing an entire email body and then you are writing the subject. Your subject will be automatically populated because NLP, artificial intelligence, is reading your content. Accordingly, it is making your subject now. You start noticing this thing. So this feature is known as a Google Compose here. Now let's see other. Everybody is aware, like you are using Flipkart, Amazon, you are keep on doing e-commerce shopping. Certain, like you are selecting one product, any product. You are selecting your pants, you are selecting your jeans, you are selecting your books, you are selecting your mobiles. Automatically, certain similar product starts upcoming in front of you. How it is coming? Again, artificial intelligence, data science is recommending similar product to choose. So they are assisting you that you can take this, having the similarities. Similarly, in YouTube. So you should know that in YouTube, you are searching one video, any one video that is as your choice, your song, your movie, your study topics. Automatically similar video starts appearing. How it is happening? Artificial intelligence is embedded. And this is long back, 10, 12 years back, it was embedded. So YouTube is, I will say, entire Google products, 100% artificial intelligence is product present there. That's why they are so much popular. We do use these Googles here. Now you should know that online video streaming applications such as Netflix or Amazon Prime, they also uses the data science and machine learning. So first of all, you can tell me one thing, like which video streaming apps you are using currently? Are you using Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, or any third app? Yeah, exactly. Please come and interact with me. Keep on interacting with me. Let's make the class interactive.
Okay.
Okay. So here, okay, tell me one thing. Which particular platform you are using? You are using a Netflix?
Netflix.
Very good. Thank you. So here, Netflix you are using, Prime, Hotstar, any of your choices you are using. That's okay. So it means that you should know that these platforms are basically using a AI embedded. So,
Necessita imposta servizio. Sì, però.
hello. So here now you should know that's how actually see basically now you should know. Suppose you are browsing on your Netflix or Amazon Prime or Hotstar, wherever you're watching your web series, movies. Whenever you are surfing, your browsing pattern, what content you are surfing, what are your browsing pattern? Means you are moving your browsing means moving your mouse or moving your hand, selections you are doing it here. So basically, all the browsing patterns is being captured with the help of AI data science, machine learning. Which basically trailer you prefer to watch before the movie, okay? And which particular content you want to watch. Or when you are watching out the web series or movie, how many times you pause, move ahead with the content, means how many times you pause, make the movie fast forward. All the activities are being noticed with the help of AI machine learning. And then that is being processed by the machine learning. And after that, you are getting the video suggestions. Okay, so we call it targeted marketing. Targeted marketing. So it means then you are getting the recommended videos or recommended movies or web series in your Netflix. So this all work is done with the help of AI, artificial intelligence embedded in your these online video streaming platforms. So similarly, if I talk about entire social media platforms, you take all the blogging site, social networking sites, content sharing site, product and services review site here, collaborative knowledge sharing sites, any site you can talk about in the world currently are using heavily. They all have, okay, basically data science, machine learning there. Yeah, exactly, Saudin. Exactly. Sometimes even we speak something related to the content, the algorithm shows everything related. Exactly. So basically here, that is NLP. Whenever we speak and AI is listening and giving you the content, that is basically we call AI is embedded, but that is specifically NLP, natural language processing. This is a subset of AI. Because I told like artificial intelligence is very wide. It's very big subject basically. So there are so many things inside it. Okay, so that is a sub part of it. So everywhere in social media platform, data science, machine learning is present. Now let's talk about the travel industry. You are booking your flights, you are booking your hotels. So basically, all these travel industries are using AI, data science embedded. Make My Trip, Expedia, Agoda, Booking, Airbnb, any of the world website you can take. All these websites are integrated they integrate data science, machine learning into their products. How you can think out that what is that real-time product, this AI is embedded, data science is embedded. You should know whenever you are booking your flights, automatically rates are changing as per the dates you are choosing. Near date, high rate. You are choosing, suppose after 3 months, after 6 months, your dates are reduced, your flight prices are reduced. The same is happening with the hotels also. You are looking one hotel, similar choices starts coming into the same range of the hotel. Entirely artificial intelligence and data science are there, which is assisting you to have the product as per your choice. If I talk about the finance and banking industries as well, again, data science is present to detect the fraud detection, got to calculate the taxes, if I say, or to find out the fraud in GST also. Heavily these products are being used. Even nowadays, you should know that if you are going to a bank and asking the loan to a bank, So there also the banks are using data science to come to that point that whether to deliver the loan to this person or not. So I will say everywhere the data science is there. None of the fields are left without data science. Let's talk about here like healthcare industry, because there are, I am telling like entirely the data science is there. Now, if I'm talking about the healthcare industries, in healthcare industries here, see robotic assisted cardiac surgery, detecting cancer, whether the person is having the cancer or not, whether the person is having the diabetes or not. Everything is being decided by the artificial intelligence and data science here. So we can nowadays do robotic assisted cardiac surgery, robotic assisted knee transplantation also. है ना? You can know that knees are being transplanted nowadays with the help of this artificial intelligence, robotic hands now. Not only this, suppose one doctor is sitting in US, so he or she can do this surgery with the help of robots in London also. Okay, that is very easy now. And all the surgeries are done with high precision, basically. Exactly. So in healthcare industry, heavily these are being used. Now, when you were in India, basically, okay, tell me how many of you have used the Zomato services and Swiggy services? Can you tell me, just you can raise hand, you can tell me that you are heavily using this Zomato and Swiggy services in India as well. You should be knowing all these platforms are using data science and machine learning to predict the food preparation time. You booked your food, that is saying within 35 minutes we are arriving. Food prediction times are being done with the help of data science and machine learning. So it means here data science are present there everywhere. To predict here temperature, like forecasting of temperature. So meteorological departments are heavily using the weather prediction here. If I talk about other platforms here, like just like military surveillance, manufacturing, self-driving car, military, forest activities, stock market signal, entertainment industry, and I keep on taking the names. So it means we can cover entire industry, everywhere the data science is there. You should be knowing, like in Boeing, in US, Boeing particular company where the Boeing airplanes are being manufactured, 100% their artificial intelligence is working there. So in this way, if I talk about, you should be knowing that artificial intelligence is deployed in airport also. Now you start noticing this point here. Whenever you are moving or you're coming back after immigration, okay, you are landing at any country and then you are coming out of it. You should know each and every faces are being captured with the help of artificial intelligence. We call it a computer vision. So your faces are being detected, okay, and being matched with those persons who are criminals, who are banned into the country. Okay, so or certain other illegal activities are there. So means they keep on chasing all the people who are coming out with the help of face detection. And face detection is being done with the help of computer vision. Again, artificial intelligence is there. So it means insecurities, airports, railways also, just to detect that whether something could not happen bad into the railway when it is moving, any rails are moving. So everywhere the data, now AI is being deployed. In India also, if I talk about in railway industries, heavily AI is being deployed now in upcoming 2-3 years also. Government is planning here. So it means several projects are working into the AI. Now let's talk about that. I had talked about like ample of these things here. But here now, like how you will do, which particular programming language you are going to use. So here now, if I talk about Python is the most prominent language here. We are going to use for the data science and AI. Now you can ask, ma'am, why Python specifically here? Basically, Python is very good language, easy language, if I say. And Python has thousands of data science libraries, which we use for the machine learning, deep learning purposes here. So that's why in this world, Python is being used. And also, Python is used for the web development purpose also. So it means data science and web development purpose, all the purpose we are using the Python. There are other languages also, just like R or any other. So, but basically, Python is the most prominent language, which are having all the features to develop the web as well as the data science work. We can do it because thousands of packages are there and now we can use it. Now you can easily ask them what type of data science tool we are going to use it to do the data science or AI. So here Anaconda framework is there. Anaconda framework freely available, free and open source. This tool is there. Inside the Anaconda, means first of all, we need to install the Anaconda, and after that, we can open. Let me show you. Inside the Anaconda, I am having a Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook. You can see, students, here, this one is a Jupyter notebook. So it means first I need to install Anaconda, and then I can open the Jupyter notebook. This is a Jupyter notebook. This is a Jupyter notebooks here. So basically, now you can see we need to create these Jupyter notebooks. Okay. So here, if I want to open a fresh Jupyter notebook, so I'll be clicking from here, new. And this Python, if I click on Python 3, so I'm going to open the Jupyter notebook with Python. So this, if I click this, so this is a fresh Jupyter notebook I had opened. This is a fresh Jupyter notebook. So now you can see this is having graphical user interface. So Jupyter Notebook is basically a workspace where this is workspace where I can write the command in Python. And all these menus are there, which we need during the works here. So here I can write all the Python commands. So this is a code cell. And if I'm writing anything into the code cell here, let me tell you. Just wait. So this portion is the code cell. And I will be writing all the commands in this code cell and clicking on this run button. So in that way, we can start doing the work. Okay, so now I'm writing the commands here in the code cell. You give me only 1 minute. Please give me 1 minute, please. Okay, so let me write the command now. Wait here. Just a moment, student. Fine. So here I'm writing the commands here. So I had told you this one is a code cell here. So here I'm going to write all the commands here. So first of all here, let me show you. Wait. Welcome to Python. This is the heading. See, in this way. Means, see, basically you should know, when we work into the Jupyter Notebook, inside Jupyter Notebook, we can write code and we can write MS Word like structure also. Because this is a Jupyter Notebook, so it is just behaving like a notebook. So it means theories also I can write it and code also I can write it here. So I just written this code. So I clicked here from this list box because this is a theoretical matter I'm writing. So click here, select a heading, click on run button. Done. Then I'm writing, see here carefully. Learning and enjoying. Wait. And enjoying Python basics. You have to click here, list box, click on Markdown. Markdown is basically subset. Click here on run button. So it is there. Let's write the code now. Okay. For the code here, You should be knowing there are basic mathematical operator. Basic mathematical operator, plus, minus, multiply. So let's see how to use here. How you're going to use 1 plus 1. I'm using a mathematical operator plus. Click on run. It is 2. Just wait. Okay. 3 minus 2. Minus operator I'm using. Click on run button. 4 multiplied by 2. I'm using multiply operator. 12 divided by 2. Division operator I'm using. So students, every time you have to write the command here into the code cell and then click on run button every time. None. After that. Now, this is a very simple thing I do. Now, let's learn about variables. Variables. So what I'll do, I'll write, let me write it here, variables. I'm writing it here. Variables. Click here on Markdown. This is a subheading. Click on Run button. Okay. So what are variables basically? Variables are a glass-like container. Means we can say, suppose I'm having a glass. Glass is a container and that glass holds water. So variables are containers that holds some value. So if I'm writing here, A is a variable that holds the value of 20. So A is a variable, it is a container. Similarly, I can make B variable with any value. So B is your variable which is acting as a container with the value of 4. Got the point here? So similarly, I'm making the variables here, such as you can see A is equal to 10. That we can do it. Click on run button. Let's see the value of A. Click here. B is equal to 5. Click on run. Let's see the value of B. Done. Now I'm using the variable and mathematical operator together. So here A plus B. Click on run. It is 15. A minus B, 10 minus 5, it is going 5. A multiply B, it is 50. So A plus B, A minus B, A into B. A divided by, when you are working, you can do this. I can take this, I can take these values into the third variable, such as C is equal to A plus B. C is equal to A plus B. Click on run. D is equal to A minus B. Click on run. So in this way, you can do it. It's easy, so easy. Now here, just wait here. See. Now this is a basic things I told you. If you want to see the value here, you can insert cell here and click see the value of C. It is 15, 10 plus 5. Then again insert the cell below if you want and see the value of D in this way. Okay. After that, what you can do, here, just wait here. Here, there is a print command basically. You should be knowing there is a print command. So whenever we are using a print command, put here quote, single quote, and write here hello Python. Click on run. Print, double quotes, hello world. So you can use single quote or double quote. Got the point here? Single quote also means whenever you are writing a print, so you can use a single quote, that is also okay, or you can write here double quote. Both are okay during the print command. That is acceptable by this particular this particular Python here. Now here, let us play the quiz here. Suppose here I say length is a function which is going to give you length of characters, basically total number of characters present here. So suppose that I'm writing DEF. DEF means just start calculating here. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the total length of this particular number of characters are 3. Similarly, if I'm writing here, I'm writing a let's say daily. Okay. So how many total number of characters are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number of characters here. So if I click on run button, So it is showing me 5. Now I'll ask you, you have to tell me. Length. Students, everybody has to come and give me answer. Give me answer. What will be the length? If I click on length, if I click on this button, run button, what will be the answer? Come on, tell me. You start counting the number. Now you come up with your answer. Please do interact with me.
7.
You can write it. Good. Keep on giving your answer. Everybody should come. This is a quiz going on. There's so many people attending here. Please do respond it here. Sunita, Shravi, and so many people are there. So your answers are coming now. Okay. So similarly, I'm giving, of course, it's 6. If I'm writing here, just wait. Wait. Tell me your answers. Keep giving your answer, please. I need your answers. And let's make the session interactive. Click here on run. Now, suppose there's a city variable I'd created. Thank you for answering. There's a city variable. There's a city
9.
variable. And here inside the city, suppose here I'm writing, for an example, Sydney. It's okay, Sydney. So the value of the city is Sydney. Fine. Now here, if I'm writing here length, can you tell me what will be the answer here? Tell me. Come up with your answers. Come up with your answers. Fresh answers I need. Come up. I need more answers. Everybody should mention here now. Very good. I'm giving some right and some wrong answers. Somebody is saying 6, somebody is saying 4. Let's check your answer. Actually, these are codes here. So this is static value. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. So 4 is correct. Those who had answered it 4 now, they all are correct. You test out your answer now. Thank you. Thank you for the responses. So here it is a run button here. Now, again, you have to be cautious now. What will be the value here? Give me your value now. Quickly. Give me your value. What will be the length of city?
Four, maybe.
You see now, everything is written in front of you. Check it out carefully. What will be more answer? I need more answers. Good. Wait. Okay, so let me check your answer. Number of answers are coming here. So click on run. It is 6. Now you can think it now, what is actually happening here? Why it is 6? You should know this is a variable. This is a variable. So as soon as I'm finding it out length of the variable, so it starts searching the variable. This is the variable. And inside city, variable value is Sydney. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is there. So that's why 6 is there. Got the point here? See, and whenever, be careful here now. Whenever I'm writing here, single quote. So single quote or you write double quote. So that becomes the normal character and that becomes a static character and you start counting these number of characters. But if you're writing here length of city, so actually it does not have any quote, means I'm not writing any quote. There is no quote, na? So means here there is no such quote. There is no such quote, no. So this is a variable. So variable will start finding out the value. So city is a variable, Sydney is the value. So calculated values for the Sydney. So Sydney will come automatically. Internally, I'm talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 will be here. Got the point here? So you should know that what is a variable and what is a value which is inside the length with double quotes here. They both are different actually. Now you should know that on the platform of here, this particular Jupyter, Python is case sensitive. Right now, if I write this will generate error. Can you give me that why it is generating error? At least you think it now. I just told you one sentence right now. Why this is generating error? And earlier I'm writing here, it is working, here it is working, and here it is generating the error. Can you think it what is happening actually? Why error here and why answer here? Here. Come up with your answer. No. Tell me. I just told you one thing. Maybe you had heard or not. Do you have any idea? No. I had just told you one thing right now. Exactly. This city and this city means here there are basically I had written capital C and small c here because right now I told you that Python is case sensitive. And if Python is case sensitive, so capital letter C and small letter C, both are different. Got the point here? Both are different here. So Python is case sensitive. That's why it is generating an error. If I make this same, so now it will work. Python is case sensitive. Now it will work. Okay. So in this way it works. Now above I had shown you here, like I'm working with the variables. Variables I'm working. So what I'll do here, let me frame one example here. Just like I will say, I want to find out area of rectangle or any mathematical calculation if I want to do. Okay, make it a markdown. Click on run. Now here, suppose, can you tell me to calculate the rectangle, which two variable I need? Please come and help me. Hello. Tell me what variable I need to calculate the area of rectangle. Come on, I'm reading all of your comments now. Quickly come on. I want to calculate the area of rectangle. Which two variables I need? Why are you not answering? You should know.
Ma'am, length and width,
Huh.
two variable.
So here, two variable, I'm writing it here, right? Thank you. So here length, breadth is equal to 5. So 2 I'm taking. Now let me calculate the area. Breadth. You can write print area in this way, or direct area also you can write it. So 150 is the calculation. 30 multiplied by 5, 150. Or what you can do the easy formatting also, a little bit more formatting you can do it. In this way. So see, I'll show you in this way. So basically, during the print command here, area of rectangle, this needs to write in this way, inside the double quote here. And this area is a dynamic value, which will be taking the values from this area. So this will be printed as this, which is inside the double quotes. And this is a variable. This is a variable actually. So that's why variable fetch the value. So area is a variable which is fetching out the value of this length into breadth. So area calculated will be coming here. So in this way, we keep on working with a lot of Python commands. So now there are thousands of Python commands. Then there are a lot of SQL, data science library, machine learning, and so many things are there. So slowly one is moving. So I will say like Python is really very easy language, comfortable language, easy language, though maybe you are from science background, maybe you are technical, maybe you are from non-technical background also. Does not matter. Python is really very easy. Anybody can learn it, even if you're from commerce background, banking background, arts background, or science one can come, already at this point. But any person who wants to learn the Python, that's very easy. And if you're learning the Python easily, anybody can do the data science also, data science, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, NLP. And these are basically required nowadays. So if I talk about here little bit more only, that you should know that the knowledge is required basically. Just like I'll say, just like we all need a food to survive now. So in a similar way, the knowledge of data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence is required now. Anywhere you work there, you work Australia, you work anywhere in India, and you should know that in India, heavily 100% of the companies are using AI. They are demanding the people with the knowledge of AI. Same is happening in the US, same is happening in Australia. In globally, I want to talk about every continent. They are asking for the knowledge of data science, machine learning, AI, because all the work is transformed into these AI. AI is umbrella, just I told you. Under it, so many technologies are there: data science, machine learning, deep learning, neural network, NLP, computer vision, and many more. So the point is here, we should be having a knowledge. Okay, so it is a necessity now. It is not an option, because till now people can think it is an option that okay, whether we should do or whether not. Now you even can't think that whether we should do. This question is not there, because it is just like a food for us. So AI is a food to us. If I talk about it, is a necessity now. So knowledge is there, and you should know one thing, that companies are only grabbing those people who are having a knowledge. Even all the companies are transforming. So if in case those employees are not having a knowledge of AI, data science, and machine learning, those are means their careers are no more there. So that's why we had built up this program for the career oriented program only. So it's very good program here. This is overall from my side here. Now let me tell you certain technical questions here that you can ask first of all, that which particular software we can use here. So basically Anaconda framework, this is an open source only. You can easily install, find out Anaconda download, Anaconda Windows download, Anaconda Linux download, means that you can do. Basically, I prefer Windows here. That is quite easy. Okay. And Anaconda is a framework, and Jupyter Notebook is a place to work for the data science environment. Good. So these are the technical things here. If any other queries you are having it technically, you can write now here into the chat section. I'll keep on answering. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much. If you're having any technical queries, do write it here into the chat section. I can answer all those technical queries. The rest of the things regarding to course here, madam is there, so she is going to tell you. Just wait, let me check about. Ma'am, please, you can come. Wait here. Yes, ma'am, please. Thank you very much. Wait, student, wait. So overall, you can tell me hello. You can just tell me or raise hand or come into the live chat. Have you understood till now here? Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for answer. And what about others? At least you can come and interact with me. You can say, yes, you have understood that what is all about the AI, data science. From everybody, I need it. So that I can know at least you have understood the concept here. And once you are joining the classes, all things will be clear, more clear here. What about other people? Abu Bakr, what about you? Sunita, Safia, Badruddin, Salim, you can tell me. Please come up with your answer at least. Please give me your responses.
And one more student has joined with iPhone. One more
Great.
student has joined. Please write your name in the chat box so that we can.
Okay. Any other? There's so many people other here. Okay, so rest of the information, ma'am, is going to be, please. Yeah, ma'am, please. Thank you very much.
The one who has joined with iPhone, please write your name.
Ma'am, she is Safia.
No, one
Safia.
more is there. One more is there.
Oh. Please listen to ma'am.
Then only we will be able to share brochures and all with you.
No, maybe she's the same. Safia is there with two iPhone. Okay, got it.
And stop sharing your.
Here, students, Samna, actually, we are not receiving the names of the student here. Two iPhones are it is reflecting. So one we came to know, one is Safia, and another one we are not able to detect that who is the joiner here. Please give your name here into the chat.
enlightened. Sure, everyone here has gained valuable insights from your expertise. Now I want to show you some brochures. Now we would like to hear from you also, our audience. Have any questions, have some doubts, you can ask here. Please write in the chat box. So, and please be patient. I will be answering your questions. Please do not unmute yourself. So, in the meanwhile, I want to discuss the key highlights. So, the key highlights of the course. So, this course is having generative. Wait a minute. So, the course is having generative AI integrated curriculum, interactive live sessions with industry experts, internship programs is there, job assistance will be provided. So basically, it's a 10-month course, okay? And in the first 6 months, 5 to 6 months, from first to 6 months, you will be gaining your conceptual knowledge. Okay. After, first we will start with the basics of Python. Then we will move. To the essential tools like SQL statistics, data science libraries, and after that, ML, machine learning. So till machine learning, you will be gaining your conceptual knowledge. So once your concepts are clear till machine learning, then after that, your internship period will start. Okay. And in your internship period, you will be doing many things. It's a 4 month period. Internship period is for 4 months. So you will be doing so many things here. After ML, you are going to select electives. We are giving you 4 to 5 electives, and you have to select at least 2. So, what are these electives? These are the specializations. These are the specializations you have to select at least 2. Okay. So these are deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, business analytics with Tableau, business intelligence with Power BI, or big data with Spark. So these are the specializations. Okay. And at least you have to choose 2, but you can choose as many as you can. The more you choose, the more you learn, the more your resume will be created. So all depends on you. Wait a second, I'll show you. And one more thing, you are doing these things, you will be selecting your elective, and these are self-paced. These are self-paced tutorials. Okay, so videos will be available on our LMS, and we will be sharing you. Okay, and side by side your 1 hour live sessions will be going on. Okay, and you will be taking 1 hour live sessions. Here you are doing so many projects. You will be doing so many things here. Okay, so these are the electives. See, specialization elective, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, business analytics with Tableau, using Tableau, data analysis or analytics with Power BI, big data, Hadoop, and Spark. So these are the specializations, and you can choose as much as you can, but at least you have to choose 2. So if you are good in coding, you can go with deep learning, computer. natural language processing, and others can go with Tableau and Power BI. Okay, so all depends on you, and we will be helping you out at this time. Okay, so after this, side by side, you will be doing projects, you will be doing case studies, you will be doing so many things like master classes will be given to you by our industry experts on portfolio building. MCQs will be conducted, mock interviews will be conducted. So, what are the master classes? So, our industry experts will be giving you master classes on how to make resume. Okay, you will be learning how to make resume, how to make your LinkedIn profile, how to generate your LinkedIn profile. And as I have told you earlier also that GYPR Private Limited has taken hands with the staffing services. So there will be, once you complete all these things, there will be a portal. You will be uploading your skills, your resume there, and the staffing services will match the profile accordingly. Okay. And after doing so much, after doing these things, because so many projects, so many tools are there, I'll show you the tools as well. Just wait a second. See, NumPy, cloud computing, SQL, Power BI, so many tools, 18 plus tools are there. So you are going to learn these tools also in your internship period. So now you are doing side by side, you are doing your self-paced tutorials and you are taking one hour sessions also. Your projects are also going on. You are working on your resume and LinkedIn profile also. You are doing projects, you are doing case studies, and here in these 4 months, you are doing so many things. And after this, once you have completed this course, after this, you are no longer a fresher. Now you are an experienced learner person. Okay, now you are an experienced learner person. When you go to a company, I'm not talking about a big company. If you go to a small company also, then also your starting salary will be uh, at least $50,000 to $60,000 per annum. Okay, so you will start from here, and it will go up to $200,000. So you will be a knowledgeable person after this. You will be a skilled person after this. You can check, go to Glassdoor, search data scientist salary there. Okay, you can any company will pick your resume. Anyone can pick your resume after learning so much, because here in these 10 months you are doing so many things. Okay, you are learning so many things. So if you have any questions regarding course, I'll share the brochure. You are watching here. I'll share this brochure also. To show the job roles as well. These are the job roles. Okay. So for data science roles, like those who are having science background or IT background, they can go for this. Like those who are taking deep learning and computer vision, they can go for data scientists, data analysis, business intelligence and architect, business intelligence analyst, business intelligence developer, business analytics manager. Then the third one is AI and machine learning role. So because you are gaining too much knowledge, you are not focusing on simple one language. Like we have one or two students who are interested in, ma'am, I want to learn Power BI, ma'am, I want to learn SQL. So I'm telling you one thing, with one skill, nothing is going to happen. You have to be skilled, you have to learn so many things, then only, because everybody wants a multitasker. Okay, wherever you go, in whichever company you go, everybody wants someone who can do everything. So with one skill, you are not going to stay anywhere. So do you understand what I'm trying to say? You have to learn so many things, then only you can complete, then only your resume will be selected. So, and as you know, I guess this is a golden opportunity for you. You people are getting this course. The market price of this course is too high. You can go and check Google it. It's really very costly. But here, because you people are our existing students and we want you to learn these things, we want you to settle down. So we are providing this course free of cost to you if you join our first batch. Okay, so do enroll. Our classes will start from 21 or 26 September. We will start our classes, and I'm telling you again and again, it's very beneficial if you should join the course. And one more thing, as I said, it's free of cost, and classes will be held on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, we have decided to schedule the classes on Saturdays and Sundays, and we know many of you are from US, so we will be arranging times accordingly as per your convenience. Okay, so is there any question? Anybody, if you want to ask any question related to the course, please write here. You can write in the chat box. Any questions, any queries? I will share the browser also. You can check the browser after this session. I will share it. No questions? So someone has joined us now. This is Sushita Bhatia. So Sushita, for you, I am repeating once again that it's a 10-month course and it's free of cost for our existing students. So you are learning so many things in this course. We will start with basics of Python, then SQL, then data science libraries. Then after that, machine learning. These are the conceptual things. Once your concepts are clear, we will be moving to the internship period. Now in internship period, you will be doing so many things. Okay. So in internship period, you will be doing so many things. You will be case studies, projects. Okay. Master classes will be given to you by our industry experts. They will be helping you out in everything. I will be helping you out. I will be assisting you every time whenever you need help in anything. Like I am working as a career coach for you here. So we will be giving you after machine learning. We will be giving you. Okay, there is one question. Okay, will the class be daily or twice or thrice a week? As I have already said, you will be getting your classes on Saturdays and Sundays. 2 2-hour classes, okay? 2-hour class each. So 2 2-hour classes on Saturday and Sunday. Is that clear? Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. Okay, I will Deepika ma'am, there is one question from her
Yeah,
side.
let me tell you, wait. Basically, one of question is coming here. Engineering management guys have to do, ma'am. You have only said IT. No. Let me tell you, this data science, machine learning, and with this data science, machine learning, and neural network course, I just told you this can be done by anybody, technical and non-technical person. Anybody can do. But the variation will come when you are completing with the main course with me, just like 5 to nearby, it will take 5 and 6 months in between. And then you are coming to the electives now. There will be suggesting, my career coach is going to suggest you that which particular course you will opt there. Because what we do, if the guys who are very much good in coding or they are interested in coding, there we directly offer computer vision or natural language processing. And if you want Like you do not want to move ahead with the coding part. Okay, it means like you are no more, you're not no more interested in the like in-depth coding, very tough coding I'm talking about. So there we do offer the business analytics and data analyst course there. So there comes the variation. But the main course here, so that will be done by anybody. So I will say data science, machine learning, and deep learning course can be done with anybody. This is not only for computer science graduate, anybody who is into the mechanical engineering, civil engineering, uh, any type of engineering management you are doing, MBA, BCA, BBA, MS you are doing, BS you are doing, BTech. I'm saying anyone can come in this course. This is open to all, but it is diverted only during the electives and specialization. So once we are choosing the specialization, there we are going to convey that which specialization can be done. So my career coach is helping to you to choose a particular specialization. Ma'am, you can show them the specialization, please. Specialization part. That is down. Come down. These are specialization. So in specialization, here we do divert that once you are done with the main course is up to the machine learning. From Python to machine learning, that is the main course. And later on, you are coming to the electives and specialization. Here, we give different specialization as per the interest of the student. If those students are very good into the coding, in-depth coding, they can do it. They're comfortable. They are okay, ma'am, we can do that. So we do offer deep learning, computer vision, or NLP. And those who are little bit they are not comfortable with coding, means they can't do ahead with a heavy coding I'm talking. Normal coding anybody can do it, whether you are belonging from any background. But when we talk about the like, because what happened in computer vision and NLP, these are very in-depth coding. So the student says that, ma'am, I do not want to move ahead with the heavy coding. Okay, so we offer the Tableau and the Power BI. So there you can go ahead with the business analytics with Tableau and data analyst with Power BI. So these are no-code platform. Here you have to build up the reports and dashboards with the Tableau. They are very much demanding into the industry. So you can go ahead with this as per the choices. But in the meantime, you come into the course, we keep on guiding you where to move and how to move. Career coach is going to help you for that. Yeah, please, ma'am, move ahead, please. Any other questions, technical questions, if you are having, please wait, let me check it. Okay, just
Working. Yeah, I will answer you this thing. Right now, as we are discussing about this course only. Okay, let me discuss, and then I will let you know. So here, I think I have cleared all your doubts, and ma'am has explained everything so well. So do enroll if you want to learn, and that is also free of cost. Do enroll in the course. I will be, I'll ping you after this session. So as we approach to the end of this session, I guess no more questions are here. If anybody else want to ask something, right here. Okay, so no more questions.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, in this data science course, you will cover AI or generative AI.
But so please write in the chat box. Course fees. Course fees, as I have already told you, Adnan, it is free of cost. It is completely free of cost for 10 months. Okay, for our existing students. Only for our existing students. If you bring someone else, we will charge. Okay. So for you people, it is your cost. And anyone else? Yes, we will cover, Ravi. You will be learning everything here. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for your patience also and attending this session. Thank you for your participation today. A big thank you to Deepika ma'am for sharing her wealth of knowledge with us. If you have any further questions or need more information about upcoming courses or
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
certifications,
you. Thank you.
yeah, feel free to reach out to us. We will be more happy to guide you on the learning journey. So, as you people know very well, we are giving other trainings also. You can join us, you can contact us, you are having our numbers, okay? So if you want to enroll in this course, you are having our number, please write there and we will also reach out to you. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Actually, I have one question now.
Yes, you can write in chat box.
I already dropped it, but you guys didn't reply me.
Wait a minute. I told you, I told you that I saw your question and I will let you know. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, ma'am, there is one question from Mudassir who can you provide the course that is related to networking?
So after this, we can talk about it, no?
Yeah, I told you already that this webinar is for data science. This one is for different things, and we will give training for networking as well. So I will let you know, Mudassir, I'm having your number. So after the session, I will contact you. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. I didn't hear that. That's why I asked you.
No issues. Thank you so much.
Actually, I have one more question.
Write in the chat
I'm
box.
doing
Write in the chat
uh,
box, please. Hoping that you all are going to join. You all are going to enroll in the course. And I suggest you should do it. Just a minute. Okay, no issues, no issues. I will we just training on cybersecurity as well. I will guide you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope I have answered your questions. So, if you have any other doubts, you can contact us anytime. Thank you for your time. So thank you once again, and we look forward to see you in future events. Bye bye, everyone. Thank you, Deepika ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you.